All right, welcome to the office. So over here right now we've got my camera, and actually since we're filming on my phone, I can talk a little bit about the camera that we use at Productive Dude. So we just use the Rode wireless lavalier microphone. I don't know the exact name for it, but pretty handy and nice that that's wireless for the most part. Then I've got the Sigma 18-35 f 1.8, I believe. Pretty nice lens, and if you're a camera person, you probably know about this lens. Very versatile, great lens. I've got the dummy battery plugged in right now, so this thing will shoot infinitely. Definitely an essential for a camera. It's got the flip screen, so this is where the Productive Dude videos are made. Moving on over here, you see the famous light that's in the background of all my videos, and this is called the Gobi Glide. You can actually set up like custom colors and animations. I don't have my phone because it's right there in your hand, but maybe I'll throw in a few videos afterwards of different animations that you can do with it. Right here, we have this very old piece of petrified wood and just a few crystals, a few rocks, a few mementos. One of my favorites is the block of pyrite that naturally forms in the wild as this cube here. So pretty neat. It symbolizes strength and fortitude, and it's just a constant reminder to, stay persistent in going towards my goals. Then if you take a look over here, we have the Humways Light. This is the new name of our agency. We used to be known as Greenline Media, some of you might remember, but we changed the name to Humways, and we got that from the word human. So we wanted to make a more human experience for our clients, something that could be understood, because a lot of times when we explain what our marketing agency does, it can be confusing, but we're trying to be more human-centric when it comes to marketing, and just really focused on educating our clients and helping them reach their goals. So that was the idea behind the rebrand. It's also a lot nicer than the long emails, greenlinemediasolutions.com. Anyways, moving along here, we have a couple watches. I've got the Seiko SARB 035 and the Swatch System 52, I believe it is. But these are just some nice watches outside of the typical Apple Watch. So I keep those in the spinner because these are mechanical watches, so that winds them for me, although the times on them aren't right now, so I actually need to set those back. But next up we have the mute so that she can't butt in on our conversation. I have the Alexa smart device. I can just ask it whatever questions I need. As you can see right now, it's flashing with that yellow, so that means I have a package. Alexa, clear notifications.
Okay. Deleted your notifications.
Okay. So basically just ask it questions like what's on my calendar for today, or what is 250 times 9, or just the most random questions that I come up with throughout the day. It's nice to have that here. A little portable charger in case I'm running out the door, and in case I need an extra boost. And here we just have a few books that I personally like to have on hand. I've got some more books over in my closet there, but these are just the ones that I like to keep out and reference every now and then. We have Reality Train Surfing, great book. Very thick book, but it's filled with tons of great knowledge. 12 Rules for Life, Jordan Peterson. I've got the Holy Bible. .com and Expert Secrets. These are both really great if you are trying to learn how to market yourself online or market a company online. Personal MBA, because I'm actually a college dropout, so I needed this to navigate my entrepreneur life. And as you can see, I've got tons of sticky notes in here, lots of highlights, so try to educate myself as much as I can on my own here. We've also got The Outsider and Essentialism, both great books, teach you how to be unconventional and how to think like a CEO. And I've also got my Kindle here. This is nice if I just want to do like a one-handed read. Sometimes when I'm laying in bed at night, I want to turn the lights off and I don't want to have to hold the book open. Nice thing about this is I can just hold it with one hand and I can highlight things as I need to with my finger. So a little bit more minimal than a book, to be honest. And that's kind of funny because, I mean, it's an electronic. Usually you try to get away from the electronics, but I find that this can be even more relaxing sometimes. And I've got some hats here in case I have a bad hair day. I like to throw those on. You might see me wearing a hat in a video every now and then. That's why. We have the iPad. I just use this with Miro, so that's like a digital whiteboarding tool. I can kind of just draw on here with the magic pencil. Clips right onto the side, so that's nice. And then bottom row is nothing too special, just a few tools that I have and a few of my chargers. So that bottom row is kind of reserved for just charging different things that I have. I have quite a few electronics, so that is nice to have. Here I've got my Fender. This is a smaller sized guitar. It's like a petite guitar, and I like this guitar because I don't know, I just like the smaller guitar. I don't like a huge guitar. I like the sound that this makes. It's like a little bit more bright and airy, but by no means am I a guitar pro. I can strum a few chords, however. So for what that's worth, that is my guitar. Kind of nice to just stop working every now and then and play a little bit of guitar. Over here we have some SSDs. We're transferring over a lot of video files right now for editing. This is the microphone that I use in my videos. The Rode microphone that links up with that camera I showed you earlier. Then here is my MacBook Pro. Got the blue light blockers on deck in case I need to throw these on towards the end of the day. Actually, I should probably start wearing these right now. These blue light blockers are on my face to try to avoid blue light and start getting me to wind down for the day. I've got my wallet with the Apple AirTag on it so I don't lose it. Down here you will see that we have the headphone hanger for my WH1000X M3 Bluetooth noise cancelling headphones. This is actually a standing desk and it has like a preset that it's going up to right now for if I want to do some standing work, kind of look out the window at the beautiful snow in the woods, and I can just get some work done right here. So I really love this office. It's kind of like my first proper office on my own, because before, like, the office in my old videos is actually at my parents' place. So it's been nice having my own place, my own place of work. Now here is a chair that holds a lot of sentimental value for me. This is the chair that I got when I first started working on my business. I dropped out of school and I wasn't making any money. In fact, maybe I had like one $300 a month client or something like that, but I was very early stages, and all I had was this old beat up HP laptop that was barely working, and this is what got the job done. So I've kept the same chair all this time, and I actually tried to upgrade it, but I didn't like the new chair that I got, so I just moved that to my gaming setup out in the living room, and yeah, this thing does the job still. So chair. Over here I've just got an old monitor and my tripod. This monitor I'm actually going to be replacing soon so that I can have a dual monitor setup up here. This is just my messy closet. Everything kind of has a place, but I'm the only one that knows where things are. So down here we have some nice compartments just labeled with different cords, different supplies, different nuts, bolts, nails, screws, whatever it might be. I've got my AirPods here, my nice little penguin case. Just whip those out if I'm going to the gym. Got some Callaway swingers out here. some golf clubs. So those are nice in the summer. Right now we're dealing with the Michigan winter, so not the best time to go golfing. Then I've got some weights there. And if we navigate over to this corner here, you'll see my red light therapy device. I actually just made a video talking about how this helps me with sleep. So definitely check out that video. I'll have a card in the upper right corner of this video. So I just lay out this yoga mat. I get naked, completely naked, and sit in front of this red light, just like so. And I do some yoga or some meditation before I go to bed. And that's just a great way to end off the day. This thing puts off some good heat and it makes you feel great. There's lots of, I shouldn't say lots of, but there is evidence, scientific evidence pointing towards, red light helping you with sleep, helping you with recovery, helping you with any skin conditions that you might have, boosting testosterone, boosting melatonin levels if you're trying to get wound down for bed. So lots of benefits to red light, especially when it's touching your skin. So that is that. That's kind of part of my routine. As I said, if you want to learn more about that, check out the video that we just uploaded talking about the Oura Ring 3, how to get better sleep. This is one of those methods that I use to improve my sleep score. So next, take a look at the Supreme bag. By no means am I much of a hype beast. I like to keep things pretty classy and not walk around with big logos on me, but I really like this bag. I think it looks nice, it looks tasteful. It does have a big logo on it, but it's black and you can't go wrong with like an all black bag like this. The other nice thing is it has gone up in value since I got it. I think I bought it for like 140 bucks and it's gone up to 240. So it's always exciting when you get to wear something and it goes up in value. And the thing that I like about this bag is it fits my laptop perfectly in like a couple days worth of clothes. So if Drake, can I unplug this?
Yeah, that's good.
We're transferring some files. I just want to make sure they were all good. So I can kind of put my laptop in the back of this, tuck a few clothes in there, zip it up, and I can hop on a plane. I can go somewhere with one bag, and I like this bag a lot. So for the most part, that finishes off the room tour. We also have this whiteboard over here, which was tracking our different things that we wanted to cover today in terms of filming for the channel, because we did film a few videos today. So yeah, I mean, that has been the office tour. I hope you enjoy, and if you did, please go ahead and leave a like, comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe to stay updated with content just like this. All right, see you guys.